welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do something very exciting. We are going to remove
The ladder
that
that came with this build. It's
I don't like it.
I don't like it. It's butt ugly. It's too high. It sticks out too far.
I don't like how it ends, like just there. If you guys have been keeping up with our channel, you guys know that this is our new launch Integra. We just picked it up a little bit.
A couple weeks ago?
Yeah, a couple weeks ago.
We've been busy. We've been on the road for a while. Put over 5,000 miles on it already.
Yeah.
Yeah, we brought it here. We
PPF
the front. Just tied a few loose ends on this thing, and then we put it back on the road.
Packed the thing up, and we went down to Florida again.
Southwest Florida. We were in Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Jacksonville, Miami. I mean, we went through the whole state.
Yeah, it was fun.
And since the hurricane came in, we decided to stay down there a few more days and extended our vacation. So
now we're back home, and it's time to upgrade this bad boy
and finish modding this one the way we want it.
Last week we put on the tires, the wheels and tires.
So we got the wheels and tires back on. We PPF'd the whole front. We're working on today would be.
We have the Owlvan tire carrier.
Yeah. The Explorer, I think. The ladder and tire carrier.
Yeah.
So we have that we'll be installing on this van. It will give it a way better look. We're going to remove, this van actually has a spare tire on it.
Underneath.
Yeah. Our old one did. But we're going to go ahead and get rid of that and have a full-size spare that matches the rims here. So in case we ever run into a problem, we just get it put on and we'll be back on the road in no time. Because it'd be a little difficult in the middle of the night trying to find a tire somewhere.
Where is it?
It's under here. So you have to open this. There's a couple screws and it'll drop that bracket down.
Just so they can see. Alright, so we've done it before. So this time around we should be able to
We should do it like half the time probably. I mean, the longest thing's probably just taking this down, cleaning it, drilling a hole, and the rest of it should just bolt back into place. It's okay. I got everything. So first things first, remove the ladder.
Okay.
So one of these keys will open this, will unlock this lock. I don't know which one yet. I hope it's this one.
Will it even?
No, I tried it once. This one. See. Bad thing about this tire carrier is it's mounted onto the back, but a lot of people think that's the actual ladder. It actually clips along the roof rail. So a lot of people will climb this and actually damage it because it presses against the sheet metal. When you climb it, you'll actually damage your and warp and bend your rear door.
Okay, so you're not supposed to step on it?
No, you take it off and you mount it to the side. Here, I'll show you. But people don't know, and that's what I don't like about it, because people will climb this thing and look at the weight on it. Look at the door. And if they really put all their weight on it, it's going to be a big old dent here. I think someone did it to our old van. Someone climbed on that bike rack when it was in the showroom. So that bugged me all the time. But this is how this works. What you do is you find a spot, like say right here,
on there?
and you hook it onto the rack like that. Right, let me find this one. There you go. See how it falls? You gotta find a spot where it's not around anything too. There, see, it seats in, and that's how you climb out. Now this is against the plastic.
The plastic piece.
And you climb up. I don't think that's stable. I don't like it. Maybe I should mount it like this permanently for the side ladder. It looks okay.
I think it looks a lot better there.
On the side than it did on the back.
Yeah.
Like if it was left mounted like that, I probably would have lived with it.
Or anyone want to buy it?
Let me know. Later on, I'm actually going to remove that bracket and take that part off too. Oh look, we actually have the solid, the two-piece one. This thing's been removed.
Must have fallen out. Yes.
Well, they removed this once. There's a bunch of insulation in here. They packed a bit more insulation in. Look. This van actually rides way quieter.
Yeah, it's a lot quiet.
than our old one. That's theirs. We can do it. Okay, one now.
What did you need? Give me a snack.
After this, I gotta redo this piece. Okay, done. You good? Brand new.
Okay.
Ready? Center. Done. Looks good, huh?
Mm-hmm. Alright guys, it is synced. I think it looks really good. It just changes the overall look of the van, gives it a more off-roading, rugged
More rugged outlander look. It's just the it just looks tough.
Yeah.
I think. I don't know. It just looks more my style than that,
Right.
that little rinky-dink ladder.
I know. We have to remove that.
I'll do that
later.
tomorrow or later. Take that all off, and then we'll figure out what's going on up there too.
Yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want the full in-depth tutorial, watch our other video. I will link it down below. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and let us know what you think down in the comments below. Alright, we'll see you next time. Bye.